Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a Scottish coffee. This is a really simple drink with just one main ingredient, which is going to be drambuie. Now drambuie, if you're not familiar with, is a honey and herbal Scottish whiskey liqueur that has been produced for quite a while, and the name actually means the drink that satisfies. It's really, really tasty stuff, very strong though, but goes great with coffee and tea and, warmer drinks. So we're going to pour in 1.5 ounces or 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. From there, we're going to fill the rest of our glass up with coffee all the way to the top. And personally, with any coffee drink, I really like to add whipped cream and a cherry, specifically because it sweetens the drink a little bit. And on top of that, when you blend it in, you don't need to add cream. And then the cherry always just looks good for culinary appeal. So this is a great drink for after dinner or, just on a cold day, or, if you're waking up with a hangover, it's a good cure. So there is your Scottish coffee. Enjoy.